In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the simplest ways to make money online. And this is something that it can be a passive income stream if you're looking for to get it. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the simplest way to make money online. And especially if you're looking to earn passive income, I'm going to share everything with you on detail here. Let me share with you my screen because I actually want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Something really important, guys. This is something that it has changed my life and I want to be transparent with you. It can do the same with you. If you're looking to earn some extra money, if you're looking, to replace your regular 9 to 5, definitely it can help you. But first, you need to watch the entire video. And after that, you need to be consistent with the implementation. Okay. So that's key if you really want to get really good results. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 steps. Literally, that's the only thing that you need to do. Okay. And let me share with you which are the 5 steps that you need to follow. Okay. This is not something overcomplicated. Everybody can do it. But the thing here, it's consistency is key. Okay. The very first step is that you need to pick a niche. Okay. This must be something that you really enjoy. Some people out there says that you need to feel passionate about. I'm not 100% sure that you need to follow your passion, but definitely something that you need to enjoy because this is key if you don't want to quit. Okay. Remember what I told you, and this is the third time I'm going to mention it. Consistency is key. If you are just jumping into a trend because people are doing it, chances are that you're going to quit. And I'm telling you this with my open heart because this is something that happened to me. Sometimes I am like, no, I'm going to be doing this because XYZ person is getting results, the shiny object syndrome, the whole 9 yards. I don't want you to go that way. So which are the top 3 niches if you want to know which are the most profitable online? Okay, they are health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the top 3 niches. Okay, I'm going to write it here. It's health, okay, wealth, and relationships. Those are the top 3 because people are having a pain, okay? And or they are having a problem and they want to solve that. Okay? That's the reason why here. Okay. So let's say that you're going to go with the health. Okay? I'm going to be doing an example. Okay? There is a lot of things that you can be doing here on the health. Well, maybe someone want to lose weight. I'm going to put it here. Health. Maybe someone want to gain muscle. Okay. They don't want to lose weight. They want to gain muscle. Maybe there is someone who have an issue with diabetes. Okay. So let's say that, okay, I'm going to go with, I want to help people who will struggle and they're going to be losing weight. Okay. So there are different diets here. For example, I'm going to go with the keto diet because that's the one that this is just an example that has helped me in the past. And maybe I'm between men and women. Okay. I'm going to put here W. I'm going to go with women. Okay. I can narrow this, yes, but let's say that I'm going to go stop here. Okay. So I'm going to be on the health, but I'm going to be helping women who wants to lose weight. And my thing is going to be with the keto diet. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. So as you can see, I narrow it. So I'm not talking to everybody in the health industry, although this is the one I choose. Okay. I'm not talking to everybody who wants to lose weight. I'm talking to them, who are looking for a change using this. And I specifically with women because this is going to be my target audience. This is, I can spend a lot of time doing some research about this topic. I'm a woman. So um, I feel, comfortable about this. It's a topic that I feel passionate about it and all this stuff. So I want you to take that into consideration. Diana, what if I'm into the video games? Can I go that route? Definitely, I do have friends who are in that niche and others who are in niches that I'm not at, but definitely it's not my thing. And remember, this needs to be something that you really enjoy and you really enjoy doing research. Okay. So that's the very first thing. Now that you have a niche, what else do you need? You need to pick a product. And don't worry, you don't have to create your own product if you don't want to go that route. There are different websites like ClickBank. You can join it here by uh, being an affiliate. Okay. You can click here where it says affiliate start here and you can be part of ClickBank. Okay, if you want to go that route. Okay, there are also another marketplace like this one, which is called WAP. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can join it for free. It has been around for some time right now, and here you can see all the categories here at the top. Okay, these are the WAP picks. You know, people are getting result with them. You can find a lot of products here, subscription based products. So that means that you can actually recommend a, a product once and you're going to be earning money month after month after month, as long as someone, you know, it's paying for it. You can find low ticket product, high ticket product, digital product, physical products. Okay. A lot of cool things here on WAP. Okay. And I think I'm not 100% sure. My understanding is that everybody everywhere can use WAP. Like there is no restriction about any kind of location. So I'm going to be leaving a link below. Choose a product that is actually related to your niche, of course. So it's going to be something that is going to be helping. In my case, well, I have to go here with the fitness. Okay. So this is the the type of product that I'm going to be promoting. So I have here some things. For example, I have this product that is energy strength focus in 30 days, no gym, no diet. Well, it sounds really interesting. Okay. $99. I can click and see, how much uh, I'm earning in commission and all the stuff. So, you know, I can see which are the trending products and all the stuff. So here you can see, that I can go with that's the type of product that is aligned with my niche. Okay. So now that you have the main product that you're going to be promoting, you will need to build a system. And don't worry, you don't need to be doing something overcomplicated with the technology that we have nowadays. Literally, you can just do one click and you can actually have it. Okay. With the link below, you're going to be opening a free account, which from this tool, which is called System.io. System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. That means that you're going to have all the tools that you need in order to create your online business. And with the link below, you're going to be opening a free account. Yes, it's a free account. It's not a free trial. Okay. They're not going to be asking you any payment method, no credit card information. Literally, just you're going to be opening with your email address, and that's it. Okay. And just in case that you're wondering, like, okay, my business is going to be growing. Yeah, definitely, your business is going to be growing. You're going to be opening your account with this free version. Okay, with the freemium one. The limits is that you're on going to. Well, I don't want to say only because it's a lot of people, but you're going to have 2,000 contacts. If you get more than 2,000 contacts, you're going to see here that you're going to go with the starter plan. The starter plan is $79 per month, but the limited version, as you can see, it's literally just $97. Previously, I was not using System.io, and literally for just one tool, I was paying more than $97 with just one tool. And here you have everything. If you want you know, to run your entire system, literally build a funnel, fill a website, do a website similar to Linktree, take payments, do email marketing, a lot of stuff. You are going to have everything that you need and things that I'm pretty sure that you're not going to use. and an excellent support by using the link below, and you are going to be opening your free account. And your system, it's going to be something super, super, super simple. One cool thing that I really like about System.io is the fact that you don't need to be a designer. They have a lot of really good templates. And the only thing that you're going to be doing is that you're going to be capturing people's name and email. You're going to be doing something that we call a bridge page. I'm going to be putting here BP. Okay. And after that, you are going to send them to the offer page. This is a page that you're not going to create. This is actually the product that you select with your affiliate link. Okay. The benefit with this is that you are going to have contacts. So you can see that you can actually send them emails. Okay. You can send them emails and you can promote these product again. But the cool thing, as you can notice here, is that we have different products. Okay. We have different products that we can promote. So you are going to promote them on your system. So literally you can be talking and not talking about another product here. You can be talking about another product here as well. Okay. And this is how people actually say like, hey, I actually make money while I sleep. Okay. Because the system is actually going to be working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You don't have to be worrying about, you know, doing this. Okay. So literally you can start for free with System.io. Again, I'm going to be leaving a link below. So now we have a niche. We have the product that we're going to be promoting. We have the system. What else can you do? Well, you can actually subscribe to a channel, hit the notification bell if you haven't done that. If you're enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below as well. Okay. So what's step number 4? Step number 4 is that we need a traffic source. What do I mean by traffic? It's literally people. We need eyeballs. We need to, we don't need to find them. They're already there. We need them to find us. So there are two types of traffic sources right now. One is that it's a short form content. For example, you can create your TikTok account. You can create Instagram account, Facebook Reels. Okay. So this is short form content, but also it can be evergreen. You can have a YouTube video. You can be blogging, and we are going to send these people to our system. Okay. Literally just like that. With the short form content, you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. It can be a 5 to 7 second videos, and people are going to be, um, getting some information from you that way. And if you're interested, they are going to go and they're going to be part of your system. Okay. The key here, okay, there are things that I want you to take into consideration. Okay. First of all, short form content, you're going to get a lot of traffic super fast. For example, with TikTok, by the time recording this video, you can get a lot of views super fast. Super, 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 super fast. It's a lot of virality. Okay. YouTube and blogging, it's what we call evergreen. Why? Because the content is going to be always there and people are searching for that information. So it's not going to die. The videos and the blog posts that you're going to be uploading, it's going to be there for some time. Of course, there's other skills that you need to learn about like SEO, how to do your thumbnails and all this stuff. So that's the reason why at the beginning I recommend people to go with the short form content because these are steps. People are gonna watch your content. Some of them are gonna land here. Some of them are gonna be coming in leads. Some of them are gonna purchase the product right away. Some others are not gonna purchase the product right away, but they're actually gonna be part of your ecosystem. Okay, so take that into consideration. Okay, the fifth step, which is actually really important, and I think there's a bonus one, is that you need to be doing research. Okay, when you're going to be creating this content, you're not going to be blind, literally. And, that's the reason why at the beginning I told you that you need to pick a niche that you like. It's because you're going to be doing research about content that is working out there and you can model it. Literally, if it's this content is working for other one, it's going to be working for you as well. Okay. So take that into consideration as well. So the fifth, um, well, the bonus one, because the fifth one is to doing the research. The bonus one, what I told you is that, again, you need to be consistent. Okay. Now that you have your niche, now that you have the product, now that you have the system, the only thing that you need to focus about is driving traffic. Okay. Just drive traffic. That's the only thing that you really need to be consistent if you really want to have extraordinary results. At the end of the day, guys, there is no reason why you should not be success, although the that you want it. Okay. The only reason that it's because if you have a commitment with yourself, if you have a commitment with your success, and you have a commitment that you're going to be doing this every single day, there is no reason why you're going to fail. Okay. The other thing right now is with AI, you can literally ask ChatGPT, like, hey, this is my niche. This is a product that I want to promote. Okay. Please give me some ideas of content that I can create and tell them, like, hey, I'm going to be using this on Facebook. I'm going to be using this on TikTok. I'm going to be using an XYZ platform. It also gives you the video script if that's the way you want to flow as well. Okay. So there are a lot of tools out there, but you need to do it. You need to be consistent. You need to have a commitment with yourself and you're going to be successful. Again, if you really want to learn more about this, there is a link below. Okay. With my number one recommendation to make money online. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share this content with someone you think he or she might be interested. And I see you guys on the next video.